going to show you how to use the LightChaser 15 filter adapter for the LightChaser 13 and 14 filters. So you can use the 13 and 14 filters on your LightChaser 15 case. So the first thing that we're going to do is on the filter itself, remove this back plate, and this back plate is going to thread off counterclockwise. You can grab the two prongs back here with your fingers and rotate counterclockwise while you're grabbing the black trim ring on the top, and you can see this little piece on the inside is going to unthread. Now if that's too hard for you to do with your fingers, you can actually install it onto the LightChaser 13 or 14 case, and then that's just going to give you a little bit more leverage so you can grab the edges and then rotate it off like this. So once that back plate is removed, you can put that aside, and then this filter cartridge is essentially just going to thread right onto the LightChaser 15 adapter, get it nice and snug, and then you're going to be able to slide this right onto your LightChaser 15 case. So if you have any questions on how to install it, just shoot us an email. Happy to help. We'll see you on the next one.